In this period, we will learning our next point is factorizing a number into its prime factors. In previous class, you learn practice set 10, what is prime number, co-prime number, composite numbers and twin numbers. Now, let's look factorizing a number into its prime factors. Look at the definitions of factorizing a number into its prime factors. A simple but important rule given by Euclid is often used to find the GCD or HCF. GCD means what? GCD or HCF are same. GCD means greatest common divisor or highest common factor. Both are same. Okay. And LCM means least common multiple of numbers. The rule says that any composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers. Any composite number can be written as the product of a prime number. Let's see. Let us learn how to find the prime factor of a number. Look at here. It has one example given. Write the number 24 in the form of the product of its prime factors. Product of its prime factors. Method for finding prime factor. Look at here. It has two methods, vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. You can using any method to finding a prime factors of product. Okay. We will using any method for finding product of its prime. So this is vertical method and this is horizontal method. For example, 24. Find the product of its prime. So we will using two methods. The first method is vertical arrangement and second is horizontal. व्हर्टिकल मीन्स उभी मांडणी, हॉरिझॉन्टल म्हणजे आडवी. तुम्ही दोन्ही मेथडचा वापर करून सॉल्व करू शकता, बट ते डिपेंड करते तुमच्या नंबरवर. आपला नंबर कोणता आहे. जर मोठा नंबर असेल तर व्हर्टिकल ते खूप मोठं होत जाणार आणि मोठा नंबर जर हॉरिझॉन्टल घेतला तर असं ते इन्क्रीज होत जाणार. ओके. तर डिपेंड करते ते नंबरवर आपल्याला कोणता नंबर आणि कसे अरेंजमेंट करायची आहे. सो लेट्स सी 24. राईट हिअर 24. Now draw a straight line here like this and again draw a sum line here. Okay. So we will dividing 24 by any number. First look at here the last number. It is a even number. So you can divide by 2. First we will dividing by 2 because 2 is a smaller integer. So we will dividing by 2. Let's divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So, or you can say 12 into 2 means 12 twos are 24. 12 twos are 24. Now again we will dividing 12 by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again we will dividing by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Look at here. Here we cannot divide it by 2 because आपल्याला इथं आन्सर पॉईंटमध्ये आणायचं नाही आहे. आपल्याला डायरेक्ट आपण इथे 3 डिवाइड करू. मग 3 1s are 3. सो दिस इज अवर फॅक्टर ऑफ 24. आपल्याला असा नंबर घ्यायचा आहे छोटा नंबर, त्या नंबरने याला डिवाइड करायला जायचं आहे. आणि जर ते नंबर प्राइम नंबर असेल तर प्राइम नंबरला आपण डायरेक्ट त्याच नंबरनं डिवाइड करणार. सो 3 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. ओके. सो आपण 3ला 3नंच डिवाइड केलं बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी नो 3 द प्राइम नंबर्स डिवाइडेड बाय 1 और इट सेल्फ. सो 3 1s are 3. Okay. So the factor of 24 is what? This is the factor of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's check it is correct or not. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. And 8 3 the 24. So this is the factor of 24. Now write down a prime factor of 24. So prime factor of 24 is what? Look at here. It has 2 and 3. It has comes 2 many times, 3 times, 1 2 3. So we can write here only 1 times, because 2 you can write in like 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. So we cannot write here 2 2 2 2 2. Only we can write here 2, and the next point is 3. So prime factor of 24 is 2 comma 3, and factor of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the vertical arrangement. So now next is horizontal arrangement. So we were writing here 24. Okay, now factorize 24 by using horizontal arrangement. So 24 equals, now divide 24. It is also a even number. 4 is last. Look at here. 5 is a even number. 4 is a even number. So now divided by, it's 2. 2 into 12. 2 into 12 means 2 to the 24. So this is the first factor of 2. Again 2 as it is. Now divide only 12. Now divide only 12, because 2 is as it is common. So 2 6 are 12. Again 2 here come, and it is 2 6 are 12. Now again divide 3. 2 into 2 as it is common. 2 into 2 is as it is. Okay. Into, now 3 2s are, it is also 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 2 2 and 2 3s are 6. So this is our factor of 24. Okay, now we cannot divide 3, because 3 is a prime number. Okay, so it is a 3 1s are 3. So we can write as it is. So this is the factor of 24. Let's look it is correct or not. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So it is a factor of 24, or prime factor of it is also a 3 comma 3. Okay, hope you understand. Now the next point is, write each of the given numbers as a product of its prime factor. First look at here, the given number here are 63. Okay, आपल्याला इथं फिगर्स मध्ये दिलेला आहे, आणि इथं सम असं दिलेलं आहे काही 2 बॉक्स. यू लर्न इन 3rd class or 4th class. Okay, so now 63 ला आपल्याला 2 पार्ट्समध्ये डिवाइड करायचे. ओके, सो 63 कोणत्या टेबल्समध्ये येते? विच टेबल्स? सो इट इज 79 जा और 97 जा. यू कॅन राईट एनिथिंग. 79 जा 79 जा 79 जा, सॉरी हां, 79 जा नाही, 79 जा 63. 79 जा 63. So first factor is 7 and second is 9. So can we factorize 7? So it is 7 is a prime number. So we can factorize its 1 or 7 itself. So we can carry forward by 7. So it is only 7. 7 ones are 7. So we can write here only 7. Carry forward केला आपण 7 ला. Now 9 ला आपण factorize करू शकतो का? Yes. So 9 ones are 9. No, it is a 3 3s are 9. It is a 3 3s are 9. So cofactor of 63 is 7 into 3 into 3. Okay, let's check. 7 3s are how much? 7 3s are, it is 21, and 21 into 3 it is 63. Okay, so this is the factor of 63. Now the next number is 45. 45. Now again factorize which number? So it is a 5. So आपण इथं 5 ला 5 ने फॅक्टराइज करणार. So 5 into 9. So 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Again 5 ला फॅक्टराइज करा. तर फॅक्टराइज आपण 5 is also a prime number. So 5 ला आपण काय करणार, 5 कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करणार. कॅरी फॉरवर्ड मीन्स 5 1 जा 5. सो आपण 5 ला कॅरी फॉरवर्ड केलं. अगेन इथं 2 फॅक्टर होणार तयार, 9. सो इट इज अ 3 3 जा 9. सो factors of 45 is 5 into 3 into 3. So this is the factor of 45. Okay. The next is 20. 20 is also same. Look at here. It is also same. Okay. आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चरची गरज नाही आहे. आपण नॉर्मली जसं काढतो तसंच काढायचं आहे, फक्त दाखवलेलं एक्सप्रेशनमध्ये आपल्याला. सो नाव द नेक्स्ट इज, look at here. Example, factorize into primes. Factorize into primes. So again, look at here. It is a 117. 7. Look at here, last number. 7 is a prime number, or you can say it is odd number. If we have a odd number, so we cannot subtract. We cannot dividing into 2. So this is odd number. Okay, now we will dividing another number. इथं जर ऑड नंबर असेल तर आपण 2 ने याला डिवाइड करणार नाही, तर आपण 2च्या वरचा नंबर घेऊ, 3 घेऊ. 3 ने डिवाइड होतं का हे? जर तुम्हाला असं लक्षात येत नसेल तर तुम्ही काय करा, डिवाइड करून बघा. ओके, नाव 1 into 7 upon 3. नाव डिवाइड. 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9. So here remain 2. It is 7. So 3 9s are 27. So it is 0 0. So आपण 3 ने याला डिवाइड करू शकतो. ओके. सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ सेकंड मेथड. बट याची तुम्हाला जर लक्षात असेल, तुमचा माइंड शार्प असेल, तर तुम्ही डायरेक्ट असं मॅन्युअल करू शकता. सो इट इज 3 1 जा 3, रिमेन 2. ओके. सो इट इज 27. तो 3 9s are 27. अगेन 3 ने याला मल्टिप्लाय, 3 ने याला डिवाइड होतं का? हो, येस. 3 1 जा 3 and 3 3 जा 9. So 13 3 जा 39. Okay, 13 3 जा 39 also. Okay, आता look at here. Now divide 13. So 13 is a prime number. Okay, now look at here. 13 is a prime number. So we can directly write, divide it through 1 or itself. So 13 1s are 13. Okay, hope you understand. So factors of 117 is 3 into 3 into 13. Okay, this is the factor of 113. Second example. Okay, it is also same. Now this is also same. You can use any method, vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. Okay, so now we will stop here. Thank you.